Hi, I'm Constance. Welcome to my studio. I'm standing here by my work table. This is where I've got a scarf laid out, getting ready to fringe. I have my sewing machine over there, my desk with my computer. But the real magic in this studio happens with my looms. This is my big loom I've had since 1992. I love her. You can see that we're in the middle of, it's called dressing the loom when you take it and put yarns on it. So I'm putting a warp almost the full width here, which is going to be some throws. If we go into the other side here, I just finished throws that were a little more neutral, and you can see that this is what was left. So all of these will be threaded into all of these once we get it wound on. So last year, I added a smaller loom that I'm standing next to here. One reason was by having two looms, I can be doing wearables on that loom over there, and I can be doing smaller artwork pieces over here. Also, this loom has more harnesses than my loom over there, which if I step around here, if we can get it, you can see that I can do much more complex patterns because of the extra harnesses that I have. These pieces here are what I call textiles. So my textiles are going to come in 3 sizes, 6, 8, and 10-inch squares, along with other artwork that I have. Now that you've seen my studio, I'm going to send you through a speeded up version of my whole process. And thanks for listening, and I hope to see you at my next show. Bye.